How to find Wi-Fi password on Windows PC or laptop. It's very simple to do. Right click on your Windows key icon and then go over to terminal, but make sure it's admin. Go ahead and press yes on any pop-up that comes up. And then what we want to do is type in the following. So all you got to go ahead and do is once you're here, go ahead and type in net sh like so, then WLAN show profiles like so. It's going to show any profiles that you have right here. Now all I want to go ahead and do is type in the following: show profile name and then space, and then go ahead and do equals space again, and then a speech mark. So we're just going to go ahead and do that right now. And then you have to do whichever profile you want. So let's say I wanted to do iPhone. I would just do that one, which is the first one, then do the closing speech mark, and then do key, which equals the password, and then equals clear like so, and then go ahead and press enter, and then that's it. You'll see your password.